Hello, my name is Jesse Schmidberger and I'm the brand manager here at Eskridge. And today I'm excited to tell you about a new product that we've developed for the live bottom trailer market. We realized in our current portfolio that we didn't have a product that was ideal for the live bottom trailer market. So what we did is we looked at the different designs on the equipment that's out there and the angles of the machinery that was in the trailer market. And we decided to make a new product that was specifically designed for that market to optimize trailer capacity. So the new Eskridge models are the 100 LA2 and 131 LA2. The 100 is rated for 100,000 inch-pounds and the 131 is rated for 130,000 inch-pounds, and both of these gearboxes have speed ratings of up to 3,000 RPM. So in this market, there's not a lot of manufacturers that service it, and over the years we've had requests from different customers on Eskridge providing a product for this particular application. So we have designed this product line specifically for the live bottom trailer market. At the end of the day, our mission is simple. Eskridge products are designed with safety, durability, and delivery in mind.